tuning into tone of voice. One of the areas that most of us have not really given a lot of attention to is becoming aware of our tone of voice and those around us. When we look closely, we'll discover that our tone of voice and those that are closest to us is the source of our greatest suffering and our greatest intimacy. The stakes are very high. It could be that when we look closely, we'll see anger, irritation, feeling like a victim, inadequate, superior, or on the other hand, gentleness, kindness, strength, humor, playfulness. Can you see that your tone of voice is going to be a great predictor of the quality of your life? It is the emitting of whatever's in your heart. And it's not just a cosmetic outcome. It requires us to be aware of where our heart is, and then to see what quality comes out as we speak, and what quality we're receiving as we're interacting with the person in front of us. Identifying the quality allows us to have a chance to see when we're putting out something that is going to create suffering, and if we're honest enough and aware enough and in touch with our intention to heal, we can look and find a place in our heart that cares more and shift our tone. Now, this is not something that's going to happen overnight. This is not something that you can quickly change. It does require a deep awareness and a real interest in opening your heart and seeing where it's closed. So let yourself become aware of where your general tones are that are creating suffering, and start to glimpse the possibility of staying aware of that and recognizing it's not mandatory that you have to stay the same way forever. You have a chance to be contemplative and really hear the music of your voice and be voluntarily committed because you want a quality of life that's closer to your heart. So if you return to your awareness of your desired tone, your wish to care for yourself, which is an inner tone, or finding the quality in your heart as you're speaking to the people close to you, you're finding a capacity to create intimacy where otherwise you might be creating harm. If we become clear and we're asking ourselves for guidance to move closer to our heart, this contemplative state, this wish to move toward healing, can literally change the quality of our life whenever we're aware of it. Remember, this is the way we can find our best tone, unique to our present experience, through contemplation and through recognizing that we want to emit something that is more intimate, that is more sensitive, more attuned to wherever we are. What else could really be better and give you intimacy connection, and peace.